I work for the nation's largest oil and gas pipeline company. Before leaving home, I connect securely to my company's network and download my week's work to my Marathon rugged tablet. The application I'm using is Ventureforth's vMobile. It allows me to work out in the field in a completely disconnected state. I can create, edit, and complete work orders, and when I return to network coverage, my changes will synchronize to Oracle. I am on site and looking at my week's worth of work. I'm working on a section of pipeline performing maintenance on a ball valve asset. I begin with taking a picture of the front of the ball valve. One operation I need to add is a mandatory picture of the asset prior to maintenance. I go into the operations of the work order and add one for taking the picture. I type in my operation, and the operation is ready to be completed. Now I'm going to add a comment to the picture of the ball valve that I've attached to the asset. I'm going to add a note to the picture that I just attached. I go to the asset, I highlight the picture I just took, and open it. The bitmap file opens in AutoVue, which opens many file types without requiring the specific application being installed on my laptop. It also enables markup capabilities. This is the picture I took of the ball valve prior to maintenance. I'm adding a markup in order to add my comment. I add the comment corroded handle and put a pointer at the corrosion site. I open a CAD drawing of the ball valve in order to see what other parts I need in replacing the handle. I do not have AutoCAD installed on my laptop, but AutoVue will open the files and allow for me to edit it if I need to. Here I see I need one stop lock cap and one stem nut in order to replace the handle. I close out of AutoVue and go back to my home screen. I'm ready to create the new work order to replace the handle. I go back to Work Orders and click Create Work Order. I add the description of the work order, valve handle replacement. I leave the work order type as emergency and change the status to released so that I can get to work. I choose my asset by beginning to type the name in, which filters the asset number, or I could scan it in. I choose my department from the drop-down list. And here's my new work order. I will complete it and then synchronize it when I'm back in network coverage at the hotel. Before I leave, I want to take a picture of the asset post-maintenance. I go into the Assets and Attachments. I open the picture of the ball valve after replacing the handle. AutoVue launches, and I can inspect the picture I just took. This is the replacement handle. My supervisor will see this when he logs in tomorrow, and he will be pleased. The last thing I need to do is complete my Federal Regulatory Pipeline Maintenance Form. It is a PDF, which launches in AutoVue, and it'll allow me to edit the file and then synchronize to Oracle. I need to circle the yes/no questions for my collection results. I complete my form and then save it and close out of the application for today. When I get back to the hotel, I will synchronize back to Oracle so that my supervisor can take a look at my work orders and asset attachments. The legal department will also check over my regulatory form to ensure we are in compliance. Even performing maintenance out on a pipeline, I can still work in an efficient and accurate manner.